Here's how to start making and editing videos in Capcut in under a minute. This is perfect for beginners. By the end of this video, you'll know how to import clips, cut them, add text, music, and export your finished video. Let's get started. Open the Capcut app on your phone or computer. Tap New Project, choose the video clips or photos you want to use, then tap Add. Your clips will now appear on the timeline at the bottom of the screen. To cut a clip, play your video until you reach a spot you want to cut. Tap on the clip, then tap Split. Delete any unwanted parts by selecting them and hitting Delete. To add text, tap Text, then Add Text. Type your words, then drag them to where you want them on the screen. Use the bottom menu to change font, color, and animation. To add music or sounds, tap Audio, then choose Sounds or your music. Browse Capcut's free library or upload a song from your device. Drag the sound onto the timeline and trim it so it matches your video. You can also lower the volume if it's too loud. To add a transition, tap the small white box between two clips. Select a transition effect, then adjust the duration so it feels smooth. When you're happy with your edit, tap the Export button. Choose your resolution. 1080p is a good standard. Tap Export again to save the video to your device. Now it's ready to share on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or anywhere else. And that's it. You've just made your first video in Capcut. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Start small, experiment with effects, and have fun. If you found this useful, please take a minute to like, share, and subscribe to the ever-growing Wolfpack. It's free and helps the channel to grow. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I will catch you on the next one.